Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to talk about lifestyle and biography of Gabby Petito. Full name Gabby Petito. Nickname Gabby. Born on March 19, 1999. Age 22 years old. Birthplace Blue Point, New York. Zodiac sign Pisces. Profession. Her profession is YouTuber and Instagram star. Her high school is Bayport Blue Point High School. Educational qualification graduation. Her height is 5 feet 5 inches. Talking about weight, her weight is 52 kg approximately. Hair color blonde. Eye color blue. Hobby traveling. Photography. Nationality American. Father's name Joseph Joe Petito. Mother's name Nicole Skimdick. House